Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV Pad 8, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. So to get started, we will need to turn off the device by holding the power button and selecting power off and then confirming it. When the tablet turns off, you want to hold both the volume buttons up and down and also power button. So I'm going to do that right now, because it just turned off. Now, once you see the HOTWAV logo on the screen, give it like 2 more seconds of it being on the screen and then let go of the power button. Next, you will see Android with no command, which you will need to get past by holding power button and pressing volume up once. This then redirects us to the recovery mode. And in here, using volume buttons, you want to scroll down. So for me, I'm using right now volume down to go down. You want to select wipe cache partition, confirm it using your power button, and select yes. At the bottom, you'll have a quick message formatting cache and then cache wipe complete, at which point the reboot system now will be selected by default. So press power button once again, and this will now initiate a reboot and take you back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.